Jamie. Jamie! Look at him trying to get up. His jeans are so tight, he can't get up. Stop watching that Kim Kardashian shit and get over here. Yay, good boy. Kaz, come here. Come here. Tell Daddy to change you. Jamie, he can't even crawl it so tight. And backwards.